welcome to our channel Kids Magic Girls, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make prawns fry.
The ingredients needed are salt 1 teaspoon as required, turmeric 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chilli powder 2 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, jeera powder half teaspoon, corn flour 1 teaspoon, rice flour 1 teaspoon, coriander half teaspoon, coriander leaves, curry leaves, oil for frying, and we need prawns. Wash the prawns thoroughly and add all the masalas to the prawns. Make sure that the masalas are coated properly. After adding all the ingredients to the prawns, mix it well. Now it's time to fry. Add oil to the pan. After pouring the oil inside the pan, check whether the oil is heated. After the oil is heated, add all the prawns inside the pan. So guys, my sister is going to eat this. Tell your feedback.
Nice it is.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I made this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below if some videos to be uploaded.
Bye.